Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another step-by-step makeup tutorial. First, I'm using this primer from Conceal Cosmetics to prime my face. Next, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Classic Tan 335 for my face. Next, I'm using Conceal Cosmetics Second Skin HD Concealer in the shade Creamy Ivory to highlight my face. Please don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. God bless you. Blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm using this concealer from Elegel Cosmetics in the shade Cocoa. They are Pro Conceal concealer in the shade Cocoa to contour my cheek and my nose. Next, I'm using this press powder, Pseudo Fit press powder from Conceal Cosmetics in the shade Warm Honey to set my highlights. Next, I'm using this setting powder from Conceal Cosmetics too. It's a setting powder in the shade Honey to set my makeup too, my highlights. Next, I'm using this bronzer from Ebony CoverGirl. Is a Ebony Bronzer. I'm using it to bronze my cheek and my forehead. Sorry guys, the light is going up and down. I'm using natural light and it's going up and down sometimes. Next is brows. I'm using Davis brow pencil in number 3 for my brows. Next, I'm using concealer to clean up my brows and define the brows more. I'm using Elegel Pro Concealer, the shade Almond, to clean up my brows. Next, I'm using Nubam Beauty, this Nubam Beauty Intensified eyeshadow palette for my eyes. I'm using this brown shade for my creased face. Next, I'm using another brown shade but a bit darker brown for my crease too. Next, I'm using another brown that is more darker for my outer crease to darken up my outer crease. Then I'm using the orange shade to blend everything together in the crease. Next, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter for my lid, for my eyelid. blending everything together, blending the edges. Next, I'm lining my eyes with liquid eyeliner. It's a little wing. Next, I'm using mascara to clean up my lash, clean up all the eyeshadow on my natural lashes. Next, I'm using this mineralized skin from MAC Cosmetics for my face to blend everything together, the highlights, the contour, everything. Next, I'm using this eyeliner from Urban Decay for my waterline and my lower lash line. And I'm using the same eyeshadow I use on my crease to blend it. Next is eyelash, false lashes. Then I'm using this blush palette from Tara Makeup for my shake. Next, I'm using this highlighter from Nyanga Beauty. Is their Candid Glow highlighter in the shade Kporkish. It highlights my face. Next, I'm using MAC Fix Plus Spray to set my makeup. Mascara for lower lash. And I'm using this liquid matte liquid lip lock. Sorry, I'm using this matte liquid lip lock from Adventure Makeup. I'm using the shade Jam for my lips from Adventure Makeup, their lip lock liquid lip stain. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to show me love, support me by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.